How to change region or country in Best Buy app. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Best Buy application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in order to change country or region in Best Buy, go ahead and tap on your account option on the bottom right of your screen. Under My Account tab, you will see the Account Settings option. Tap on that. Now, under the Your Info tab, you will see the option for addresses. Tap on that. Now, if you want to change the address, tap on the Change option and you will further be allowed to make changes to your address. So, go ahead and make the necessary changes and tap on the Save button, and with this, your address on Best Buy will be changed. So, this is how you can change region or country in Best Buy app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.